Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it currently has 12 miles delivery miles. And it comes painted in the stunning pure grey finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detailing in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And to minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle. And here we have our wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the van. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we do a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. And with this van, you do get your upgraded power sliding doors, and following on, you'll notice we do have some lovely interior. The titanium black upholstery appears to make the van look very classy, and we do have our ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there showing that always on their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. And once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage, whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems and functions like the adaptive cruise, which helps you stay safe at a consistent speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. And with this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors along with the rear view cam ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we do have many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heated seats, and towards the right hand side we have our heated windscreen, and towards the left we have our central locking systems, our door functionalities and parking sensors, and just below that we have even more storage space. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the centre there. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.